Yeah. He almost hit his head on the cement.
Freaking hurts. Come on, girl, you can do it.
She tries to use the circle.
Oh, there you go. She's got it.
This is Ninja Warrior practice.
Mia got it. Here, wait. All you guys do it. All four of you. Ready?
1, 2, 3, go. I almost missed. I know.
We need a light out here. Do the pool lights still work?
Huh?
The pool lights?
No, they never work. Where is the light at?
Does it work?